Hello and welcome to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. It's Vaz Prep from Kingston up against Eltham Park Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. So we had the coin toss earlier. Vaz Prep won and decided to go first. So let's get straight into section 1, where schools are asked questions alternately. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer, and they will earn a point for each correct answer. And the first question comes to us from Bible Knowledge. Vaz, on which mountain did Moses receive the 10 commandments?
Mount Sinai. Mount Sinai.
That's correct. Eltham Park, on what material were the 10 commandments written?
On 2 stones of tablets.
On 2 stones of tablets.
Correct. Science, Vaz, true or false? When in a container, air takes up all the space?
True. True.
Correct. Eltham Park, true or false? Solids do not take the shape of the container they are in.
True.
Correct. Local affairs, it's a visual. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Derek Smith.
Incorrect. It's Franklin Witter, MP, Eltham Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
James Robertson.
James Robertson.
Incorrect. It's Leslie Campbell, another MP. English language for Vaz, spell squeaky.
SQUEAKY.
Correct. Eltham Park, spell wrestle.
WRESTLE.
Correct. Television, Vaz, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Gabrielle Union.
Incorrect. It's Sanaa Lathan. Eltham Park, look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Queen Latifah.
Incorrect. It's Regina King. We move on to general knowledge. Vaz, how many pieces are involved in a game of chess?
32.
Correct. Eltham Park, how many squares are there on a board used for a game of checkers?
64.
Correct. Social studies. What are the colors of the Ugandan flag? That's Vaz.
Red, black, and yellow.
Correct. Eltham Park, what are the colors of the Swedish flag?
Blue, white,
Red.
Blue, white, and red.
Incorrect. It's blue and yellow. Music. Vaz, what is another name for the half note?
Breathe.
Incorrect. It's minim. Eltham Park, what is another name for the 16th note?
Semiquaver.
Correct. Mathematics for Vaz, what is the value of the Roman numerals D, C, X, X, V, I?
626.
626.
Correct. Eltham Park, what is the value of the Roman numerals D, X, 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 I, V?
534.
That's correct. Sports, it's a visual. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Luton Shelton.
Incorrect. It's Kamar Lawrence. Eltham Park, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Justin Robin.
Justin Robin.
Incorrect. It's Alvas Powell. Jamaican affairs. Vaz, complete the Jamaican proverb. Ans follow.
The Queen.
Incorrect. It's fat. Eltham Park, complete the Jamaican proverb. Can't take coattail.
And cookie.
Incorrect. Fry cocaine. And that's the bell signaling the end of section 1 with a tie. Vaz and Eltham Park both on 6. We go for a break, but before we do, please listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. Do not get too hooked on social media that you have no time for play and interaction with family and friends. Sometimes you should just turn off the phone. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Stay with us.